have to shake it, then they come out.
Today is the 4th of July, and we are going to get ready to go home. We're gonna barbecue today and set off some fireworks before we get started. They are completely sold out of everything.
Guys, look at my hair.
Ooh, it's beautiful. I love it. Pink. Wait till you put your pretty 4th of July dress on to go with
And
it.
that's the googly eye. Yeah, googly. They make sound when you shake them.
I did. What you gonna do about it? Nothing.
What's up, Daniels fam? We getting ready for the day. The kids done gotten the food already. That's all right. We got some mac and cheese, some more mac and cheese, some baked beans. Got our little table set up. We ain't doing nothing too much. Just a little something, 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 right? Something, something, something. We got a little something, something, something right there. That's pretty much it. We didn't want to do too much because Aiden's not here with us. We didn't want him to feel left out on anything. So, you know, we had to keep it simple. How's the food, Maya? Y'all see she done already got into it. Baked beans, burger, mac and cheese, cupcake.
4th of July flag.
4th of July flag.
And burger.
Yep.
You got my soda?
Mm-hmm.